How switch to personal account on TikTok? Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom, you can see different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox, and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile. At the right top corner there are the three lines. Just click on it, and here you have to click on the settings and privacy. Before switching to the personal account on TikTok, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you have to click on the accounts here, and you can see switch to personal account. Click switch to the personal account. Switch anywhere. When you have to click in this way, you can automatically switch to personal account from account of business. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.